Hi students, good morning all of you. Doing work well? So, organic chemistry started, IUPAC nomenclature also, some concept completed. Yesterday, before class, I started nomenclature of organic compound having functional groups. Okay? Now, continuation of organic chemistry, IUPAC nomenclature of functional groups. IUPAC nomenclature of functional groups. Functional groups. Okay? So, we know organic compound containing functional group, first numbering to functional group direction. Already I given tabular form. First one is COOH, next one is SO3H, like that. Suppose organic compound containing two functional group, one functional group prefix, one functional group suffix. Depends on order. Depends on the order. Now, so example 1, functional group. Some functional nomenclature. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHOH and CH3 is there. Here OH means alcohol. Alcohol suffix name ol. Functional group which direction? From left to right, fourth position. Right to left, second position. Which one is correct? Right to left, correct. In this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this direction, 2. In this direction, 4. This direction correct. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total how many carbons? 5. 5 means pentane, not ene. Pentane. In pentane, one hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group. Pentane to ol. Pentane to ol or 2-pentanol. Simply 2-pentanol. 2-pentanol. Simply first step better. Both are equal. Both of you correct. So pentane to ol or 2-pentanol. Don't write E because here pentane how many carbons? 5 carbons. Sorry, 5 carbons and hydrogens how many? Pentane means C12. One hydrogen atom replaced by OH group, that means pentane to ol or 2-pentanol. Example 1. And another example 2. Next. CH3, CH2 and CH2 and CHO is there. Here organic compound containing functional direction. Here open chain compound compulsory in the skeleton carbon also containing functional group. That carbon is considered as a 1. Here 1, 2, 3. So functional group having carbon, that carbon, the numbering due to the functional group of the carbon. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many carbons? So 4. 4 means butane 1 all. Simply butanol. Alcohol means whole, aldehyde means all. So write down that second example. Next third. So example 3. CH3, CH2, 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 COOH, functional group. Here functional group also having carbon. Numbering in this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply formula hexane 1 oic acid. Hexane 1 oic acid or simply hexanoic acid. Here hexanoic acid. So hexanoic acid formula. Hexanoic acid. Next one is CH3, CH2, CO, CH2 and CH3. Here ketone is their functional group. Any direction number equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many carbons? So 5. 5 carbons. Numbering any direction correct. That means pentane. Don't write E. Actually pentane. One hydrogen atom replaced by ketone group. Pentane 3 one pentanone, 3-pentanone, 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 3-pentanone. Next, example 5. CH3, CH2, CH2, COCl. Here acid halide is there. Here numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply 4 means butane 1 OL chloride. Why OL? CO means CO, X means OL halide. Before I given X means halo, fluorine, bromine like that. So these are IUPAC name of acid halide, OL halide. OL common, chlorine is there, chloride, not chlorine. Butane 1 OL chloride or simply 1 is nothing. That means butanoyl chloride. Butanoyl chloride. That is a name. Butanoyl chloride. So that answer. Next example 6. Example 6. CH3, CH2, CH2, CONH2. That is amide. Amide. It is also name here 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply butane 1 amide. These are amide group. Butane 1 amide or butanamide. Butanamide. So it is a name butanamide. Butanamide, that name. Butanamide. So write down that names. Butanamide. Butanamide. And example 7. Example 7. Now I am taking ester. CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, C2H5. In IUPAC system, esters are generally known as alkyl alkanoate. Here alkyl which group required? Ester COR. This group first required. These are which group? Ethyl. That name is ethyl. Here how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethyl 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means butane. Ethyl plus ethyl first, next one is alkyl OH. Ethyl 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethyl butanoate. Ethyl butanoate. Ethyl butanoate. Now I am taking another example. Another example. Same model. CH3, CH2, CH2, COO. Both are equal. Ester. Ester means COO. C double bond O, one single bond O, like that. Both are equal. This name, first methyl group. So that name is methyl. Both are esters. So both are esters. Esters. Methyl, total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means methyl butanoate. Methyl butanoate. No number. Actually, 1 butane O8. Here 1 number. Here 1, 2, 3 like that. Methyl butanoate, ethyl butanoate. Here esters. Next example 9. So example 9. Now I am taking amines. CH3, CH, NH2, and CH2, and CH2, CH2, and CH3. In this direction numbering 2. In this direction numbering 5. So these are correct, these are wrong. Lowest numbering, functional direction. So 6. This direction 5, this direction 2. So name is 2-aminohexane. 2-aminohexane. Their old name simply, and the modern name is hexane 2-amine. Hexane 2-amine or 2-hexanamine. 2-hexanamine. Better name, okay. Hexane 2amine, it is also correct. These are old name. These are old name. Nowadays we are following hexane 2amine or 2-hexanamine. 2-hexanamine or hexane 2amine or 2-hexanamine. Next up. Next example number 10. Ether is there. IUPAC name is alkoxy alkenes. Your IUPAC name is generally ethers. IUPAC ethers alkoxy alkenes. Here name of this compound name. In this compound name ethers alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy means lowest group required. Oxygen atom attached to ethyl group, propyl group. Which one is least group? That is considered as a alkoxy group. Alkane means longest chain. Among these two, ethers means central oxygen atom. Both side alkyl groups. Here alkyl group, here alkyl group. Both alkyl groups are attached to oxygen atom. That compounds are called ethers. Ethers means simple formula. Ether general formula like that. Generally ethers. Ethers ROR. That is ethers. Alkyl groups are attached to oxygen atom. That compounds are called ethers. R means alkyl group. So here alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy means lowest group. Alkane means longest group. Here which one is lowest group? Here lowest group. That naming, that IUPAC naming simply ethoxy propane. Ethoxy propane correct. Ethoxy propane. Not propoxyethane. Ethoxy means first least group. We can selecting. First select the least group. Alkoxy. Next one is a long chain group. Simply ethoxy propane. I am giving another example. Example 11. Suppose CH3O, CH3. That name is first least group required. So name is methoxy butane. These are ethers. IUPAC name of ethers like that. This type of. Okay. Next one is. So example 12. In example 12, one see. I am taking functional groups 2 times is there. Same functional groups repeated 2 times. That name is 2 times di. Consider simply OH, CH2, OH is there. Here OH group attached to first carbon and fourth carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many carbons? 4. Butane 1,4 diol. Butane 1,4 diol. Why whole? Alcohol group is there. Alcohol group repeated 2 times. That means butane 1,4 diol. Next. Example 13. CH3CO ketone, CH2 CO, CH2 CH3, Yeah, numbering left to right or right to left. In this direction, second carbon, fourth carbon. In this direction, fourth carbon, sixth carbon. These are not considered. Numbering. This is correct. Second, fourth. There, right to left. 1, 2, 3, fourth position, 4, 5, sixth position. Which one is correct? Left to right correct. So I will give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then total how many? 7. 7 means heptane 2, 4 dione. Heptane 2, 4 dione. Heptane 2, 4 dione. So these are another example. I am taking other example. One more example. Now I am taking carboxylic acids. C, CH2, CH2, CH2 and COOH. Your carboxylic acid repeated 2 times. You are numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any direction equal. In this direction 1, 5. In this direction 1, 5. Anyone correct. So name is 5 means pentane. So pentane 1, 5 dioic acid. 1, 5 dioic acid. 1, 5 dioic acid. So write down these are points. My dear students, following. Students, now following. Once observe. Very easy. If anyone have doubt, contact with me. Okay, all are easy. All concept very easy. Organic chemistry. Next example 15. CH3 here numbering in this direction. They are numbering in this direction. Second carbon, fourth carbon. In this direction, first carbon, third carbon. Which one is better? So these are not possible. These are correct. 2 plus 4 6. 1 plus 3 4. Which one is better? Here. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 means butane 1, 3 diamine. Butane 1, 3 diamine. Butane 1, 3 diamine. So these are different types of IUPAC names of two functional groups identical. And another one is example 16. CH2 I am writing here like that. CH2, 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 CH2 and CH2 is there. Why I am writing CH2? The bond is attached to carbon, not oxygen. In this case, any direction equal. In this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this direction also 1, 6. Any direction correct. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means how many? Hexane 1, 6 diol. Hexane 1, 6 diol. Why diol? Aldehyde means all, alcohol means whole. First carbon and sixth carbon containing functional group CHO. Functional group having carbon, that functional group also give, we will give numbering for that functional group. So anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so hexane 1, 6 diol. Don't write here E. Hexane means only N. Instead of E, replaced by all group, aldehyde group. So these are different types of functional groups. So names. Now, organic compound containing functional group and substituent, same position, numbering from functional group direction. Substituent functional group is there. Functional group direction numbering correct. Now I am taking another example. CH3, CHCl, CHOH and CH3. Here numbering composite in this direction 1, 2. In this direction here OH is there. In this direction third position. In this direction second position. OH function. These are wrong. In this direction correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. OH functional group in this direction. Functional group in this direction 3. 3. You are not considered in this direction correct. So anyway, 3 chloro, butane, 2-ol. 3 chloro, butane, 2-ol. 3 chloro, butane, 3-ol. So 3-chloro-butane 2-ol. Another example. Example 18. CH3 and Cl, CH2 and COOH. Functional group. You are numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Chlorine first, methyl first. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means which one first? Chlorine. That means name is 3-chloro, 4-methyl, 3-chloro-4-methyl butane, 1 oic acid, butane 1 oic acid, or simple name is I am writing here 3-chloro, 3-methyl, 3-chloro 3-methyl. Here 1, 2, 3, 3-chloro 3-methyl. Simply 1 is nothing. So butanoic acid, that compound name is, anyone correct? 3-chloro 3-methyl butanoic acid or butane 1 oic acid. Okay, so write down, students, write down that structure. Example number 18. CH3, CHCl, CH3, CH, here numbering which direction correct? Function of direction. Function of direction means here once observe, here CH, here Cl, here 1, 2, longest chain required first. Longest chain first function of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Otherwise I am writing, okay. Big letters I am writing. CH3, CH, CH, CH2, CHO, here numbering, sorry. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Functional direction. Here, these are group is considered as a, these are ethyl group. These are group ethyl group, these are chlorine. So compulsory, chlorine first, ethyl first, C first. That means 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, compulsory right? 3-chloro, 3-methyl, total how many carbon? 6. Hexane, 1R, simply 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, hexanol, 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, hexanol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, hexanol, 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, hexanol. That is a information of so organic chemistry, these points. Okay, write down. So these are different types. Okay, students, these are different types of in organic chemistry. Some points IUPAC nomenclature. And another one is, I will give you another example. The longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longest chain required. Compulsory any rule, first importance we are selecting. So we can select the first long number of, so longest chain means number of carbon atom present in the particular chain. Longest chain required. Numbering means functional direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-chloro, chlorine first, 3-chloro, 3-ethyl, hexanol or hexane 1R. So these are different types of some functional group compounds. And I will give you another one is example 19. Suppose CH3, CH2. In this case, compulsory first alkyl group required. Alkyl group required means these name first. Ethyl. Ethyl total how many? 2. Ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. After CO group, COR means ester. After CO group, ethyl group. After CO group, alkyl group are considered as a first substituent. Ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. That name is ethyl ethanoate. So these are in organic chemistry. So these are functional groups, so different. Last one is example 20. Up to here enough. I am taking CH3, CHCl, CHCl and CH2, COO, COCl is there. Here numbering, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, dichloro, pentane, 1 OL chloride, 1 OL chloride, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, dichloro, pentane, 1 OL chloride, or simply I am writing here 3, 4 dichloro, 3, 4 dichloro, pentanoyl chloride. So these are in organic chemistry functional groups names. IUPAC nomenclature of functional groups. Next class I will give IUPAC nomenclature of compound having 2 different functional groups. Now today I given same functional groups 1 or 2. Tomorrow I will give tomorrow we will discuss about that tomorrow. Organic compounds containing more than 2 functional groups. More than 2 functional groups are organic compound containing 2 different functional groups. Organic compound containing 2 different functional groups means one functional group acts as a prefix, another functional group acts as a suffix. That concept next class I will explain. Okay, my dear students, today enough. Remaining class tomorrow, next class. Thank you for all.